Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to reset your Miele washing machine with a quick and easy hard reset so it works properly again. First, turn off your Miele washing machine and unplug it from the power outlet. Waiting a few minutes allows the machine's electronics to fully power down. Next, press and hold the Start-Stop button for about 10 seconds while the machine is unplugged. This helps discharge any residual power and resets the control board. Plug the washing machine back in and turn it on. Select a standard wash cycle and press Start. This triggers the system to initialize and restore default settings. If your machine has a digital display showing an error code, note the code before resetting. After the reset, check if the error disappears. If it persists, the issue may require professional service or parts replacement. Also, ensure the door is fully closed and the water supply is turned on. The machine won't start or reset if it detects a door latch problem or water flow issue. By following these steps, you can perform a hard reset on your Miele washing machine and get it running smoothly again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.